Hey guys, welcome to Midas 101 with Jim Roese. Today we are going to go over the assignable controls, how to set them up in your console. The assignable controls are a single feature button that in your scene controls one thing. They're accessed through the access button for assignable controls in the corner. On the larger consoles, again, they're right here, same access control as on these consoles here. What these things do is say pretty much any feature you need to get to in your console, from inputs, aux-ends, matrix, aux returns, effects. There's so many parameters of each of these things that you can get to via this assignable control. So hypothetically, we're going to say we have a guitar player his guitar is on channel 4, and he has a habit of his dirty to clean channels are so different, dramatically different, that it's one of those things you always might need to catch in your show and you need to get to fast. What we can do is we can choose this assignable control, and what's happened now is now the stage box level for input mic gain on channel 4, the analog gain stage at that point is now controlled by this stage box level on this thing. So when we're mixing our show, if all of a sudden that guitar player steps on his pedal and it goes through the roof, boom, boom, here is your level, and it's always accessible to you that fast. And there's 8 assignable controls, and you can set them to things from delay times to input levels to output levels to panning to whatever you so choose you need to fit onto it. You can find most anything you would need to be a controlled section and load it to these assignable controls. Save it in your scene, and now you have access to these things to get at them fast.